Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in consumer goods. Today, we're diving into the world of adorable baby costumes, and we found something truly special. The best infant duck costume available in the market. Let's jump right in. Just take a look at this charming outfit. Crafted by MICHLEY, renowned for their quality baby products, this duck-themed romper is not only adorable but also practical and cozy. Let's explore why this costume stands out from the rest. Firstly, let's talk about size options. MICHLEY understands that babies grow fast, so they offer a range of sizes from 2 to 36 months. With 6 size options, you can find the perfect fit for your little one, ensuring they're both comfortable and stylish. Now, onto the fabric. Made from premium flannel material, this romper is soft to the touch and provides excellent warmth, making it ideal for autumn and winter wear. The double zipper design allows for easy diaper changes, while the 3D hood adds an extra touch of cuteness. But what truly sets this costume apart is its attention to detail. From the adorable duck design to the chic edging finish, every aspect is carefully crafted with your baby's comfort in mind. Plus, the imported quality ensures durability and longevity, perfect for passing down to future siblings or friends. Now, let's talk about the benefits of choosing this costume. Not only will your baby look absolutely precious, but they'll also stay cozy and warm during those chilly autumn and winter months. Whether it's for Halloween, a cosplay party, or just everyday wear, this costume is sure to turn heads and bring smiles wherever you go. So there you have it, folks, the best infant duck costume on the market. With its premium quality, adorable design, and practical features, it's a must-have for any baby's wardrobe. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and be sure to subscribe for more reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy shopping!